Have you ever wondered what really happens when something falls into a black hole? The answer will leave you completely disturbed. Because what you think you know about black holes is completely wrong. They are not objects. They are not giant vacuum machines in space. They are something much more bizarre and frightening than any science fiction movie has ever managed to imagine. And the most disturbing thing of all is that they are everywhere in the universe. Silent cosmic predators waiting to reveal their darkest secrets. Get ready to discover truths about the universe that will mess with your perception of reality. We're going to dive into the most disturbing secrets of black holes, and I guarantee that your mind will never be the same after this. Because what you're going to discover today challenges everything we think we know about physics, time, space, and even existence itself. These are not crazy theories, but proven scientific facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. First, let's destroy everything you thought you knew. A black hole is not a hole. It's not a solid object floating in space. It's something much stranger. It's an extreme deformation of the very fabric of space-time. Imagine that the universe is like a giant elastic bed, and a black hole is like a bowling ball so heavy that it creates an infinite well in that bed. But this well deforms not just space, but time itself. It's a curvature so intense that it literally breaks the rules of reality as we know it. The mathematics behind this is so complex that even Einstein was amazed by his own discoveries. And here's where things get truly disturbing. If you could observe someone falling into a black hole, you would never see that person actually cross the event horizon. They would simply freeze there forever, as if time had stopped. From your point of view, they would remain eternally suspended at the edge of the black hole, becoming redder and more distorted, but never completely disappearing. It's as if they were trapped in an infinite temporal loop, frozen in the last moment before the final fall. Meanwhile, from the point of view of the person falling, they would cross the horizon normally, without realizing that for the rest of the universe, they are frozen in time forever. But things get even more insane when we talk about sizes. These cosmic monsters vary in absolutely absurd dimensions. Some have only 3.8 times the mass of our Sun, but others have billions of times that mass. To give you a real idea of this scale, there are supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies that are so large that our entire solar system would fit easily inside them. The black hole at the center of our galaxy, called Sagittarius A star, has a mass equivalent to 4 million suns. This is such a gigantic scale that our brains simply cannot process it. And the most frightening thing is that some black holes are so massive that they could swallow our entire galaxy without even feeling it. These cosmic giants formed from the beginning of the universe, born when massive stars collapsed in supernovas so violent that they literally tore the fabric of space-time. Imagine an explosion so powerful that it creates a permanent scar in reality, a hole that never closes again. The process is so extreme that in a matter of seconds, a star that shone for millions of years transforms into something that not even light can escape.
Now comes the part that will blow your mind completely. Stephen Hawking discovered something that defies all logic. Black holes can die. They can literally evaporate and explode. How is this possible if nothing can escape from a black hole? The answer lies in quantum mechanics, and it's absolutely fascinating and disturbing at the same time. This discovery was so revolutionary that it completely changed our understanding of the fundamental nature of reality and information in the universe. In what we think is empty space, pairs of virtual particles constantly appear and disappear. It's as if the very vacuum of space is boiling with invisible activity, a cosmic dance that happens trillions of times per second in every cubic inch of the universe. When this happens near a black hole, sometimes one of these particles falls into the hole while the other escapes. The result? The black hole slowly loses energy through this Hawking radiation, as if it were bleeding energy to the cosmos. It's as if the very vacuum of space were a boiling ocean of possibilities, and black holes were forced to pay an energetic tribute for their extreme existence. And here's the most disturbing paradox of all. The smaller the black hole gets, the hotter it becomes. It's completely counterintuitive. It's like a cosmic bonfire that burns more intensely as it decreases in size. A black hole with the mass of a mountain would be hotter than the core of the sun. In the final moments of its life, a black hole releases more energy than trillions of stars combined before simply disappearing in a spectacular explosion that can be seen from billions of light years away. It's as if the universe had a cruel rule. The more you try to hide from reality, the more violently it forces you to appear in the end. But black holes have even more tricks up their sleeves that will leave you jaw-dropped. Some of them spin so fast that they create a region called the ergosphere, where space-time itself is dragged along with the rotation. It's as if the entire universe were a viscous fluid being stirred by a giant spoon. Theoretically, using the Penrose process, we could extract up to 20% of the total energy from a spinning black hole. Imagine having access to an energy source so powerful that it could feed our entire civilization for billions and billions of years. This energy would be enough to transform our species into a truly cosmic civilization, capable of traveling between stars as if they were nearby islands. And it doesn't stop there. Some black holes are so violent that they shoot jets of material at speeds close to the speed of light. These jets are formed by magnetic fields so intense that they can accelerate particles to unimaginable energies. These jets are so bright that they can be seen from the other side of the observable universe, creating objects called quasars, as if they were cosmic lighthouses, announcing the presence of these monsters to the entire cosmos, shining more intensely than entire galaxies. These jets can extend for millions of light years, creating structures so gigantic that they make our galaxy look like a grain of sand in comparison.
Now, get ready for the wildest and most disturbing theory of all. Some physicists believe that spinning black holes may be connected to white holes through tunnels in space-time called wormholes. If this is true, the information that falls into a black hole would not be destroyed forever, but would emerge somewhere completely different in the universe, or even in a parallel universe completely different from ours. This possibility suggests that our cosmos may be just a small part of a reality much larger and more complex than we ever imagined. This means that each black hole could be a door to other realities, other cosmoses, other dimensions that exist beyond our understanding. The information we thought was lost forever may be traveling through these cosmic bridges to destinations we can't even imagine. Perhaps entire civilizations that fell into black holes still exist somewhere in some parallel reality. And maybe, just maybe, we are constantly receiving information from other universes through these cosmic portals without even realizing it. Einstein once said that reality is stranger than we can suppose, and black holes are living proof of that statement. They challenge our most basic intuition, break our expectations about how the universe should work, and show us that we live in a cosmos much more bizarre and fascinating than we ever dreamed. Each discovery about these objects forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew about physics, about reality, about our own existence. They are constant reminders that no matter how much our science advances,
the universe will always have even deeper mysteries waiting to be discovered. These discoveries are not just distant scientific curiosities. They are rewriting our fundamental understanding of what is real, what is possible, and what our place is in this extraordinary and mysterious cosmos. Each new discovery about black holes takes us one step closer to understanding the deepest mysteries of existence, and perhaps even to discovering that reality is much vaster than we ever imagined. Black holes may very well be the keys to unlocking the most fundamental secrets of the universe, including questions about what we are, where we came from, and where we are going as a cosmic species. If this video blew your mind as much as mine when I first discovered this information, leave your like to help me continue bringing the most fascinating and disturbing secrets of the universe. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any discovery that could completely change your worldview. And if you want to continue this journey through the deepest cosmic mysteries, click on one of the videos that are appearing on your screen right now, because I guarantee we have even more disturbing revelations waiting for you. And black holes are just the beginning of this journey to discover the deepest secrets of existence. Until the next cosmic exploration, and always remember, the universe is infinitely stranger and more fascinating than you ever imagined.